The first line of this accounting equation will be accounting equation of dash dash. The name of the person carrying on the business is not given and the table will be drawn accordingly. The first column will be for serial number, the second one will be for transactions or particulars, and then assets is equal to capital plus liabilities. The next line will be in the asset side it is cash and in the liability side it will be capital. The first transaction is started business with cash rupees 45,000. This will increase cash in the asset side by rupees 45,000 and in the liability side capital will be increased by 45,000. The second transaction will be opened a bank account with a deposit of 4500. We have to deduct rupees 4500 from the cash column and add 4500 to the bank column. This is cash minus plus bank is equal to 0. Then we have to add these two transactions to find out the new equation. New equation is equal to, in cash column it is 40,500, the bank column the balance will be 4,500, in the capital column it will be 45,000. Here the addition of these two assets cash and bank will be equal to that of capital. Then third transaction is bought goods from Messrs. Son and Company for 11,200. The third transaction is bought goods on credit. When the name of the vendor is given and definitely this is transaction is a credit transaction. Hence 11,200 will be added to the stock and 11,200 will be added to the creditors. And then with the new equation we have to add this transaction to find out the next equation. The next new equation, the balance will be in the cash column it will be 40,500 and in the bank column it will be 4,500 and in the stock column it will be 11,200, that is equal to, in capital column it will be 45,000 and for creditors it will be 11,200.